Hello folks, this is 2013 May June paper 1-3 and the question number is 11. So it says that two spheres travel along same line with velocities u1 and u2. They collide and after collision their velocities are v1 and v2. So they are usual assumptions. We might consider ua and ub, va and vb, or we might consider 1, 2, we might consider xy and so on. So the question is, which collision is not elastic? So we are given different values here. So in any elastic collision, what we must have is the relative velocity of approach should be equal to relative velocity of separation. That means in this case, u1 minus u2 should be equal to v2 minus v1. So let's check that in all these cases. So in the initial case here, in case number A, we have u1 minus u2 is equal to 2 minus 5, which is equal to 2 plus 5, 7, and v2 minus v1 will be equal to, it's equal to v2 first it is minus 2 minus, then it is minus 5, which is equal to minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3. So in the very first choice we have got u1 minus u2 is not equal to v2 minus v1, is not equal to v2 minus v1, and so the question also asks us which collision is not elastic. So this is the requirement of elastic collision and we do not have it here, it's unequal. So this is not elastic collision. Let's go for other choice also. So in choice number B we have got u1 minus u2 is 3 minus 3, which is equal to 6, equal to, here it is v2 minus v1 is simply 6 minus 0, and that's equal to 6. They are equal. Here it is 3 minus 2 or 5, and here it is 6 minus 1, which is also 5. They are equal. So they are equal. And here it is 5 minus 2 or 3, and here it is 6 minus 3 or 3. So they are also equal. The only unequal is choice number A. So choice number A should be the correct answer.